Hello everybody, I wish you're doing well. Today we will finish our project of the 4 degrees of freedom robot. So in this video we will do the assembly of this project. So to do it, we'll go to new, then we'll choose assembly. Then we will import our first workpiece, that is the base. We'll put it here. Here is the base that we have designed early with SolidWorks. Then we'll insert a new component that would be the first link. That's better. So now we will put the constraints. So we'll click in this or let's first start by the concentricity, this with this. Now the same center. Then we will, let's say yes, then this with this. We'll stick them together. So like this. Then we will import the next workpiece. That will be the second link. Put it here. Then we will take this. Then we will do the same. We'll do the concentricity between this and this. We lock this or this. Then we move this into the side. Then we will put into coincident between this face and this face. This is better now. So we can see that it turns. Then now we will import another component that will be the third link. Open it and we will put it here. Now we will mate them or do the constraints that will do the concentricity between this try to select these, yes. Then we will move this. Then we will stick this with this. Since we have the same measures, if we measure between this and this, or with evaluate, then measure, if we take this to this, we will find 45 millimeters. And if we measure between this and this, we will find also 45 millimeters, or let's repeat it. Between this and this, we'll also find 45 millimeters. So now we will stick between this and this, just like this. No, no, I did a mistake, so we'll repeat everything. So between this, sorry, and this, then we will stick between this and this. So this is it. So we'll save it. Then we will add So what is good with SolidWorks, it is easy to do motion. So we can move it as we want. Then now we will add our fifth component. So after the third link, we'll add the end effector. So it is the same if we measure between this and this, we will find 25 millimeters. If we measure between this and this, we will find 25. So we have just to assembly with this concentric between this. Then we'll move it into here. Then we will put coincidence between this and this. We can also move it. Oof, oof. Yes, so this is it, and it's these terms. Yes, so now let's add the grippers. So let's add the first gripper. Let's put it here. Let's mate or do constraints. So we'll start with concentricity between this and this, for example. So this is no. Yes. So now we will add another thing, that is the coincidence between this and this. So let's see if it is the good side. No, it is not. So let's put Control Z. So we will retake our coincidence. So we'll put it between this and this. I did the same, I think. So coincidence must be between this and this. Then between this and this. No, we can't do it. So let's just erase the last constraint. Between the effector and the gripper, and let's just repeat it. So let's return to the constraint. So let's take this concentric between this. Let's see. 10 mil. So let's just see. Yes, I forgot this. Twin gripper. Yes, and this is the last one. So now I can directly make it. So between this and this, then let's do coincidence between this and this. Let's be. Oh, I did a coincidence between them. So it is also a mistake. Although I must move it. So let's just create just new mate. So it must be this with this. Then accept it. Then click between this and this. So this is correct. So we have this in this direction. Now I will insert the pin and put it here. Then now I will make it in this and this here, like this. Then I will put this with this, like this. That's good. Now I will bring the second gripper. Then I will create the mates. I prefer to put this with this. Now, not a good way to do it. Let's put like this. So this is the thing to do. And now I can stick between this and this. I cleared this. So let me just create a new one of the coincidence between this and this, because I cleared it. So now when I turn this, yes, I can turn it. So this is it. Let's put the last pin. So I will mate between this and this. So I say yes. And I will add between this and this. So okay. And so this is our 4 degrees of freedom robot. Let's bring it to a good position. So it can turns like this. It can moves this gripper, and it can moves like this. So let's show the other gripper. Let's take the point. Boop. So this is it. This is the assembly of our gripper, and this is the robot, and this is it. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next series. Don't forget also to subscribe and like this video and ask any question in the comment section. And cheers.